us. Gotcha. Oh, man. Yeah, I found where they are. Oh, my. This is a good fight. Another nice crappie. Sure feels like it. Oh, yeah. Man, oh, man. Not quite. For me, that's not a keeper. I mean, you could definitely eat him, but I'm going to let him get bigger. Yeah, he's pretty. He's nice. That's not what I'm after. I want 12 inchers. There they are. Wow, this is nice. Whoa. This is a nice one. They're just sitting over there. All of a sudden I've caught 5 crappie. This is a big boy. This is a keeper. This is what we're talking about. Come here. Whoa. Oh yeah, that's nice. We've got a pair of keepers. Oh, they don't want to be friends. Oh my goodness, they're all just sitting over there. This one's really nice. He is very nice. Whoa. Is this a crappie? He's not. Oh yeah. Another nice one. Not a keeper. He actually was one of the best fighters. And yes, I could keep him, but I want him to get even bigger.